How to fix age restriction on X app. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix age restriction on X app. The first thing you want to do is verify your age. For that, launch open the Twitter app or X app. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to select Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Now go to Security and Account Access. Then tap on Security. Now select ID verification. Now follow the instructions. Upload a clear photo of your ID, submit and wait for X to approve the verification. Next thing you can do is update the application. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search X. Go ahead and update the X application. Now launch open the X app and the age restriction will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.